Little chick hatched late one day, feathers small, all striped and gray. All the others looked the same, he just heard them call his name. He saw Father Chicken walk, big and proud, along the coop. Will he like me? I'm so new. Heart went thump inside his fluff. Will Father Chicken accept him, even if he looks a bit strange? Will Father Chicken accept him, even if he's last and he's late? Little chick, just be you, love will find its way through. Will Father Chicken accept him? Yes, he will love you.
Farmyard sun was shining bright, chick stood shaken in the light, tripped and tumbled in the hay, eggshell still upon his face. Father Chicken turned around, heard that tiny worried sound, wrapped his wings around him tight. Child, you're perfect, you're my light.